So welcome to this video. We're going to see how we can change the website address of the free domain on Canva. Usually when you put up a website on Canva, it allows you to publish a website for free. A website was initially published on this site. If you notice, this is a new Canva free site. If you notice from this website domain name or the previous site that was published, if you see, it doesn't allow you to change it here from this edit platform. If you notice, the website here, the name here is just as it is. You cannot change it here. It only allows you to add a sub part to it. So we're going to see how we can change this now. So to change it, you head over to the main dashboard, your own dashboard of your Canva account. On this left side, you click on your name and click settings. From your settings, to click web domains. So now you see here we're going to change this. So you click on views, click edit, come here now, just add click save. So we come back here, you refresh the page. So when you come here and click publish website again, you can see it has been changed. You cannot, this subpart is no longer necessary, you can remove it. So you can see the UI has been changed. So that's how you can change UI on Canva for free domain. After this has been done, you can now go ahead and publish the book. So thank you for watching. Until the next video.